Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best cheap phones in 2024. Top 5 available on Amazon. Number 1. Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro. Introducing the Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro, a feature-packed smartphone with a 512GB plus 12GB storage configuration. It boasts a 64-megapixel triple camera, a 6.67 inches display, and runs on MIUI 14 for Poco, based on Android. This unlocked device supports 4G LTE, and it offers powerful performance and ample storage capacity. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Realme 11 5G. Introducing the Realme 11 5G with 6.72 inches, 120Hz IPS LCD display. It runs on Android 13 and powered by the MediaTek processor. With 256GB storage and 8GB RAM, it offers ample space. Capture stunning photos with the 108-megapixel camera and enjoy a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. Please note it's not compatible with CDMA carriers. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Motorola Edge. Introducing the Motorola Edge, it features a 6.6 inches OLED display with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, a 50-megapixel main camera, and a 50-megapixel front camera. With a large 5000 mAh battery and fast charging support, it offers up to 2 days of use. Powered by a MediaTek processor, it ensures smooth gaming and multitasking. The device has 128GB built-in storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and 5G connectivity. It's compatible with major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A15. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A15. It's an international version with 128GB storage, 6GB RAM, and dual SIM slots. The 6.5 inches screen delivers vibrant visuals, while LTE technology ensures fast wireless connectivity. With a USB Type-C connector and a 5000 mAh battery, it offers convenience and long-lasting usage. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. BLU G93. Introducing the BLU G93, a powerful smartphone with a 3-day battery life and unlocked GSM and LTE compatibility. It features a 6.8 inches HD Plus Infinity display and a triple 50-megapixel camera setup for stunning photos. Stay connected with NFC technology and enjoy the smooth gaming experience with a 120Hz refresh rate display. Equipped with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Comes with Android 13 and includes essential accessories. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.